Hello and welcome to this short video on the KUPO steel column roller stand. The KUPO steel column roller stand features a spring-loaded pistol grip sliding arm that allows you to quickly adjust your height over the entire length of the column. It has an operating range from 13.6 to 102.4 inches, with a weight of 19.4 pounds and an impressive load capacity of 17.6 pounds. The spring-loaded pistol grip arm releases when the trigger is squeezed. The arm can be mounted on any stand with 35mm diameter tubing by removing the screws and reassembling it around the column. The end of the arm features a 5/8 inch baby receiver with a double-sided brass baby stud that gives you a 1/4-20 male thread on one side and a 3/16 on the other for alternative mounting options. The column stand is made up of two 4-foot sections of 35mm diameter chrome-plated steel tubing. This stand features a leveling leg that allows you to level the stand on uneven terrain with slight inclines and 3-inch locking casters to help it roll smoothly as both a convenience and a safety feature. One leg extends to prevent the stand from tipping over, especially for heavier modifiers. To extend the leg, simply loosen the knob, extend the leg, and tighten the knob to secure. The leg folds up easy for storage and transportation. To fold up the legs, just pull back on the two black tabs on either side of the leg and fold the leg vertically. Once they are folded, the stand will remain upright for easy storage. It's much safer to roll heavier loads, and it will save on my chiropractor bills too. The pistol grip is available separately as well, so you can add another to your column for more rigging flexibility. For a unique rolling stand that allows you to adjust the height across the entire column with one squeeze of the trigger, the steel column roller stand is your best friend in the studio. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.